Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Yes, let me turn the box straight up and down. I got another box from Confetti. This is I think you get this box 4 times a month. It's $19.99 a box, and they send it over to me for review purposes. I have a few of these, a few other. Just hair in my eye. I got a few other of these boxes. I think maybe 2 that I've unboxed on my channel. So if y'all want to check it out, it should be down below. Or you can just go to my channel and y'all will see it. But we're going to open this box and see what's in it. I have not yet opened it, so we will find out together what's in this Confetti box. If I'm not mistaken, these boxes come every other month if you decide to get the subscription. And usually it's some pretty cool stuff in here. But this box is really light, so I don't know what's in here. But that's the website that you can order from. And no, I didn't get paid to do this. They just asked me that I want to review it, and I was like, sure. And I've been reviewing them ever since. So let's see what we got. This box is the lightest. I mean, it's really light. So let's see. This is how everything comes packaged. It's all in here. And the rest of that stuff is just like confetti. I use it to either ship other stuff or to put stuff up that I don't want to get broke. I always keep it because you can never not have enough stuffing or filler for gifting or something, you know? So yeah, but this is basically what's in this month's box. They wrap it so pretty. Okay, Confetti Surprise. This is on here. And here are some fun ways to use your bright satin ribbon. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it's some ribbon in here, and they give you ideas on either making shoestrings out of them or making a belt. I think that's cool. That's cool. And here's some links for the Confetti Surprise. I love my tin cup, y'all. I got a tin cup out of one of the boxes, and I still use that cup if anybody is wondering. Man, I get the coldest, whatever I put in there that I want cold, it's extra cold in a tin cup. If you've never drinking out of a tin cup, I'm going to tell y'all, the country way to do it, save a can of poking beans. That can, put something cold in that can. You're going to be looking for tin cups to buy from here on out. Okay, the first thing I see in here are the ribbons. You get 2, looks like 1/2 by 12 feet ribbons. That's a peach and a pink. Okay. I mean, it's just really nice stuff for gifting, or if you're in an office, it's always nice. What is this? Touchstones, unique touches of inspiration. Oh, that's so cute. What is it? Is it a pen or is it? I don't know. Let me let you guys see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It says, oh, it's a stone. Okay, you can set it on your desk or just lay it somewhere. That's cute. That's cute. This mostly everything I see is good for in office or gifting, you know. The next thing I see, I'm already loving, y'all. I'm already loving. This is a keychain. Oh, that is really cute. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. So mermaid keychain. And that's what it says. Let me turn it right side up. Yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. And that's the mermaid tail. That's cute. And it's a keychain. That's so cute. Okay, all right. And then we have, what is this? Adjustable koozie. A koozie? Okay, you can wrap this around any ice cold drink. That's what it looks like. Let me get it open. Adjustable koozie. Oh, that's cool. Around a bottle to keep whatever you're drinking cool, or to keep from grabbing that bottle cold. Okay. Like I said, these boxes are only $19.99. You never know what you're going to get. And they only come every other month, so I'm cool with that. And it's not makeup for once. Okay, this is sending sunny thoughts your way. Oh, that's a card. It's a card. Have a very happy day. For friends, for co-workers. You just want to give a card. You don't have to run out and just pick up or buy a card. It comes in here. I'm not going to open this. I want to see what it looks like. I'm going to open it. Oh, that's cute. The little puff balls. And it says, oh, to ensure your greetings remain in tip-top shape, place perfect. Oh, never mind. Have a very happy day. That's what the inside looks like. And this was just telling you a protective sheet on top of your card before inserting envelope. Okay, to protect this part here. That's cute. That is so cute. I'm going to stop saying that, but it really is. It really is. Only a couple more things, y'all. This video is not going to be that long. Here's another card. Oh, wow. Toucan of my appreciation. It's a Toucan Sam card. And it's got the little small, what do you call these? Oh, I can't think of the name of it. The envelope is in here. This is really thoughtful. This is not just cute and something you can look at. This is, look at that. The little sticky notes. It's a card with sticky notes in the front of it. And on the inside it says, a simple thanks for you and all that you do. It's in blue. I don't know if y'all going to be able to see that because it's so light. But I think this is neat with the little cards on the front. Something that you is functional. Something that you can actually use if you use or need sticky notes. That's cool. I think these cards are cute. Cool. We got 2 of those. And then the next thing I see in here is all juiced up. Okay. So I'm assuming you put a cord pouch. Oh, for chargers to go in your purse. And you can put all your charging cords in here so they're just not loose in the bottom of your purse. That's what it is. For charging cards. Now that's cool. Now this is going in my work bag. Okay. And the last thing I have here is a cell phone cell phone charging stand. How does this work? Okay. Let me cut this off and see how this works. Oh, okay. I get it. It's a stand. Like say on your nightstand, you could set your phone here. Like my phone's not in here, guys. But you could just set your phone here like that. And that'll hold your phone up or on your desk or... Okay, that's neat. It's cute and it's neat. And it's functional. Okay, that's the end. That's everything in this box. Thank you so much, Confetti Box, for sending this over to review. These things are just always awesome. And it's, I don't know, it just makes me think of giving to other people, not always for me. Stuff that I can just give to somebody. So, yeah. Yes, this is cute. And I'll probably put this stuff in my next giveaway. Not all of it, but, you know, you'll probably see it in a box coming from me. Okay, alright guys, I'm done talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.